Hello and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to integrate 3D characters into an AI-generated video. As you probably know, AI video tools these days do a pretty good job simulating camera movement and keeping static objects consistent. But when it comes to stable, reliable character generation, that's still a challenge. Luckily, there's a solution. In short, we use an AI-generated video as a backplate and layer our rendered, animated 3D characters on top. Let's jump into the Fusion tab in DaVinci Resolve and see how it's done. I've got a video here that was generated from a still image using Kling AI, along with a PNG sequence of animated 3D characters rendered from 3ds Max. If we just merge them together as they are, it won't work, because the characters were rendered from a static camera. To position them properly, we'll need to do a couple of extra steps. First, I'll separate one character from the rest by cropping it out. Next, we'll add a tracker node. I'm selecting an area where the character will roughly be placed in the scene. Let's track the footage in both directions. Once the tracking is finished, it's a good idea to check the tracking curve. Make sure each keyframe looks smooth and there are no weird jumps or glitches. Now that our tracking is solid, we can connect the character to the green input of the tracker node and switch it to match move mode. As you'll see, the character won't land exactly where we want it right away, so I'll use a transform node to adjust its position. That's better. The asset now follows the movement correctly. But notice the scale doesn't change along with the background, so we'll animate the scale parameter to make it look more natural. The last step is to mask out some of the grass in the scene so the character appears behind it. I'm using a Delta Keyer node combined with a polygon mask plugged into the garbage matte input. And that's it. We're done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.